States. If you want...
USA! 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 USA!
I mean, seriously, well, a little bit.
Drill, baby, drill.
Well,
There you go, man. Thank you. Thank you.
Moderation on that. But innovation is what's going to make the United States economy grow. And in order to have innovation, you have to have scientifically literate students being graduated from all kinds of schools. Now, this seems objective, as you say. It would seem like, who wouldn't want the United States to innovate? Isn't this the greatest thing?
Right.
But you have this situation in Texas where people want to have creationism in textbooks.
Oh, sure.
Now, unlike some other acquaintances of mine, I don't have any big deal about somebody's religion. But if you claim... claim that the Earth is 10,000 years old, that's just wrong.
No, they say 5,000.
5,000. It's just wrong. The Earth is flat. No, it isn't. And so this is to your point.
Well, I mean, you're quoting facts. How much do we really know about facts? See, that's the problem, is that facts themselves have become subject to debate.
Man,
and this must
crazy.
drive you fucking nuts. Right, look at him. He's going.
Yeah. So, no, it really is troubling because...
Well, you are used to explaining things to children. Explain to Republicans right now. Well, I'm sorry.
Democrats in that bunch, too. Oh, boy.
There are not a lot of Democrats who think the world is 5,000 years old.
Yeah.
You're right. There are some. They're religious Democrats.
But
I mean, you cast a jaundiced eye at me about religion, but isn't
I was giving you a hard time.
I know, but you should give religion the hard time. I mean, I read that you were in, I think it was Texas, and you quoted Genesis about, and Genesis something like God made two great lights, the sun and the moon, and you pointed out to the crowd that the moon, of course, is not a light itself. It's just reflecting the light off the sun. And they threw a shit fit and stormed out of the room.
A woman grabbed her kids by the wrists and took them out.
Right.
Which was kind of cool, but also
but you
troubling.
Cannot see that and not know that religion is the enemy of science. And when people say we can reconcile science and faith, no, we can't.
Well, the whole thing is, in science, it's when you have claims. That's the big deal. So if you claim the Earth is 10,000 years old, that's just wrong. I mean, rubidium becomes strontium, and it has this extraordinary half-life, and that's how we determine these things. And the same way, as I said at that thing in Waco, I said, it looks to me like whoever wrote this didn't really have it right. And bear in mind, everybody, this has been translated, I don't know how many times from Sanskrit. Maybe the guy was pretty savvy, actually, and it just got messed up. You know, the moon is out all day. I don't want to shock you. And so there's no reason.
The moon, it's a pebble. The moon is only 290,000 miles away, right? I have more miles on my United Airlines thing than that.
Well, and you can get there in 3 days. And, you know, bear in mind, just changing the subject slightly, you know, South Africa has a space program, because they know that if they get 8,000 PhD people running around in South Africa, their quality of life is going to go up. So everybody, we have a mission going to Jupiter that's going to swing by the Earth on October 9th. Don't miss it if you can. We have a mission. People say, what's your favorite planet? Pluto. Okay, we're going to go to Pluto. It'll be there in 2015. These things take an extraordinary amount of time. We spend $1.5 billion on planetary science. How long does it take to spend $1.5 billion in Afghanistan? 20 minutes, a half hour? Yeah.
You just got your nerd credentials back.
Yeah.
Right,
So